Yes, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. I'm gonna cook this bone meat with white beans. The, the meat is rich in protein, and the beans is rich in high in nutrition, vitamins, minerals with fiber, good for digestive system and good for heart health. Fiber is good for heart, cardiovascular, to help blood circulation. Rich in nutrients, minerals, vitamin, high in fiber. I just sauté the meat in boiling it until it will the meat will be tender, and also the beans, because the beans is hard to cook also. Just cook it boiling, normal boiling. This is my menu today. Bone meat with bones and bones and with beans, and use white beans for this. It's cooking time. Anyway guys, today is Friday. It's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend. Next week is Ramadan, start of Ramadan. A long holiday. The school no class anymore. There is no school for this week. After exam for kids, there is no school for how many days? And I think until next week, no class, no school. The onion is in my eyes. You know, the red onion is very strong. I'm already wearing my glasses, but it's still going to my eyes. Anyway guys, enjoy your weekend, and I don't know if our plan with my friend last, we're planning to go Maya Island Resort in Abu Dhabi. We go swimming there. See, this is my onion and garlic and there. That's my onion, garlic and tomato. That's all guys. See you later. Bye.